This is a demonstration of a manual tape message segregator. It takes a message like this with multiple addressees and then makes one copy of the tape for each addressee. Here's the relay logic that accomplishes this. These recognize characters, these recognize sequences, and then this all controls 3 tape reperforators. There's also there's also a printer to monitor things. We're now going to read in the message tape. It automatically stops after the header, which is ZCZC. I'll tell it to release. It'll print the rest of the header and the from line, and now it'll stop and allow me to set up, so I'm only going to punch on tape number 1. It's stopped. Now I'll punch on tape 2. And destination number 3. So it's printed out the destination information for each of these on separate tapes. Now I can turn all the tapes on, hit release, and all 3 tapes are punching the body of the message. And it's finished and stopped.